Good morning. My name is Jeff, and welcome to my tropical garden here in Modesto, California, Zone 9B. We see frosts in the wintertime, sometimes as low as 26, 27 degrees. I grow all sorts of exotic tropicals, from avocados, guavas, lychees, longhorns. I even have a mango tree. But today I would like to talk about the Babaco papaya. The Babaco papaya is a mountain papaya grown in Bolivia and places along the Andes. It's a hybrid that takes a little bit of frost. Though it doesn't like our hot sun, I grow them here on the north side of my house. If you take a look, here's one of my Babaco trees. As you can see, it's loaded with fruit. Some of these fruits are a pound, pound and a half, 2 pounds. It's growing on a tree that probably only weighs about 2 or 3 pounds itself. The fruit is so heavy, sometimes I have to prop the fruit up with a stake, or maybe like this one, it's propped up onto a palm tree trunk. They grow Babaco in New Zealand commercially, where people eat them fresh, add a little sugar to them for breakfast. Myself, I'm not a real big fan of the flavor. I grow them here for ornamental purposes. It adds to that tropical look. However, if you do grow them and you want to try them in a unique way, you can take the ripe Babacos, and these are not quite ripe. They will probably ripen in a week or two. You can take them, once they're ripe, put them in a blender with a little bit of orange juice, brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, and garlic, and then use them as a marinade. As Babaco is loaded with papain, which is a chemical that tenderizes meat. So if you got a tough piece of steak or tri-tip, this will tenderize it. So if you take a little look, one more look at these, my tree is loaded with they're big square angular fruits. They're not really sweet even when they're ripe, but they are edible. They take a little bit of cold, but not much below freezing, so I grow them in a protected area on the side of my house. My name is Jeff. If you like these type of videos, click the subscribe button, click like, and if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. I'll try to get back to them as soon as I can. You have a nice day.